Good morning, beautiful soul. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya and you're watching MayaLunaCorazon. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful ear warmer and headband. It's more likely gonna be telling you the number of this headband and of the stitches, because I already have a video tutorial how to make this infinite scarf, and it's the same thing, it's the same stitch. To not take so long time, if you already watched that video or already make the infinite scarf, you will be able to make the headband as well or ear warmer as well. And also, if you don't know that yet, I give you free written pattern. You can find out about that on my blog, my website. I put the link down below for you. And also you can get the PDF to download into your device when you sign up to my blog, to my website. All right. Before we start that, I also want to let you know that today I'm gonna announce the winner of this beautiful hook from Furls Crochet hook that I collaborated with them last video on Sunday. When you see your name, what you have to do is that you have to write me an email, let me know what the answer you give me and the name that you use here. So just pretty much copy and paste your answer and send to me by email, and I will connect you with the people from the company, because you are not getting this hook from me, you are getting this hook from the company directly. The company is Furls Crochet hook, you already know that. So they will send you the same hook and the same size of the hook exactly like I have to your house, no matter where you are, because this is an international giveaway. And yeah, I will connect you with them and you can communicate with them. As you know, I am leaving end of the month, which is 5 days from now, to the Amazon. And you're right, the answer is the first video. It was 2016 and it was the festival top. The second answer is that I'm going to the Amazon, and the last answer is the hook size 7mm hook. So thank you so much for all of you who answer and participate to this giveaway, and I really hope that you still stick around until I return, and I will do more giveaway and also more video tutorial to share with you. I plan to also giving more free written pattern on my blog that you can just have a look when you see the video here, so that the video can support the written pattern on the blog, so that to those who are just a visual learner, you'll be able to make everything that I make here, because you can see and you can also read the pattern if you make different sizes. If you're excited for this new idea or this plan that I'm going to adapt it into my 2019 improvement or something new to my channel, you can comment yes below. To be able to do that, I need your help. I mean, to be able to share the written pattern on my blog, that you can just go there and have a look and read, and you don't have to buy the pattern if you don't want to. I need your help. What does that mean? I need your help to like the video. I need your help to share this video or all the video that I produce here. Those you think that they will make this for themselves or for their loved one as well. So the more you share my video, the more you help me to grow the channel. And when the channel is grow, I'm able to keep sharing you the free written pattern on my blog. This way we all can grow together. This way. All right, let's get into this ear warmer. So I'm just gonna walk you through this way. You can just simply first go back to the infinite love scarf and to see how the pattern start and go on. I can just read this pattern to you, because you actually can find this pattern already in my blog. If you don't mind to just keep scrolling up and down to my web page, you can just also look through my blog, or as I said, you can just sign up and get the PDF file download into your device. Okay, let me walk you through the infinite scarf. We start with 160 plus 1. This infinity scarf, which I call as infinite love, we start with 160 plus 1. But the difference with this ear warmer obviously is small. This is the ear warmer, right? So in the scarf, we're going like this line, back and forward, right? But this one, we do the same, but we make it shorter. So as you can see, we start from here. This is the inside. I show you this how I connect the two ends. So this is the connection. So when you make, you start like so, from here to here and up, down like this. So you start with 12 plus 1. This design is the multiple, let me read it to you. It's a multiple of 2 plus 1, and this is the size that is fit me perfectly. And I like the also the width of it, like, you know, like that. So I start with 12 plus 1, and then you're just gonna go back to the infinite scarf, how I do it if you are a visual learner, and you just copy that, but in the measurement of 12 plus 1. But if you prefer to read the written pattern, as I said, you can go to my blog. I put the link for you that you can go to my blog, and also put the link for you that you can go back to see this infinity scarf, which I call infinite love. And that's it. You just keep going until I have made the measurement. You can just keep going as long as you want, and then you just try on your head. But I have made in total of 18.5 inches the length, and this is the width is about 3.6, and the length is 18.5. This is fit me great. And you're gonna take both ends and connect it the way you want. I just use slip stitch because, like I told you, it's easy for me and I like it this way. But you just do what you feel like. Then you can just put it on. And that's it. You're done with this headband ear warmer. It's very easy. You can make it done in like half an hour or 30 minutes. I hope you like this video. It's very short video because you already know how to do it, and it's no use for me to show you how to do it again, because you have the video tutorial step by step how to make this stitch. And if you decided to make this set, please let me know. I didn't have it with me now, the scarf, but now I wear this top, Magdalena top. Do you know this top from my video tutorial? I put the link also for you. Yeah, I like to wear this with the set, but actually with green also nice. So if you decided to make this set, just let me know in the comment below and what color you use, because I really love to see. And you can also post the picture on our group, because I love to see it on you. Many people already made it and they post the picture on Facebook group. If you don't use Facebook, you use Instagram, you can post a picture there and tag me so I can see also what you made from this design. And let me know if this is easy or it's difficult. How do you feel about this kind of stitches, and are you going to modify to be something else, just a scarf, like a big blanket or any sweater? Just let them down below your idea in the comment section, because I really want to learn from you as well, and really want to know you a little bit better, what you are up to, what kind of piece is your favorite. Are you a person who like to make scarf? Are you a person who like to make headband? Are you a person who like to make a top or halter top? Let's get to know each other a little bit more so that I know how to serve you. This way is also good for us both. And if you like this video, just give it a thumb up, share with your friends, because you're gonna help me a lot. And I also wanted to do more daily with the new piece that I'm working on right now. Is almost halfway now. I'm gonna show you. Give me a second. So here I wear to show you how it looks nice together. I never think blue looks so nice together with green. Actually it does, no? So maybe you can make all the whole set and wear together. Actually, we have already one of the sister in the group. She wear the Magdalena top with her set like this. It looks so cool. And yeah, if you also like this Magdalena top, and if you already made, just let me know also in the comment below, because I love to see you wear all MayaLunaCorazon. And this is the piece that I'm talking about. Now is getting together. You know, the blanket idea that I have, now it's gonna be poncho instead, like that. It's gonna come more pink and a little bit maybe blue, and then the color will be shaded back into this color down the other side. This is the stitches that I'm talking about. I love it. I love bubble stitch. It's so beautiful. Don't you think? Would you like to learn how to make this? I would love to share with you. But I don't know if I would have time to do that. I would try to see tomorrow if I can do a get swatch video. You up for that? It will be so fun to crochet with you. Alright, let me know in the comment down below as well. I'm just gonna continue with this. I hope I will finish it today, tomorrow, so that I have the finished piece to show you, because you know, I like the idea that we crochet together, like crochet along, but I also would like to have already finished piece to show you how it look like, what we are doing, because some of you are like, I don't know if this is gonna be nice. So it's nice that you can see the finished piece already. But another part of me also is like, yeah, you just have to trust and we can just go into this journey together. But what stopped me is not about not trusting that we're gonna finish it, but we're gonna finish it if I have lots of time. As you know, I have only 5, no? Yes, I have only 5 more days from now on, and we're living on the 31st already. So that's what made me a little bit like not sure if I should do this, because I don't want to leave you hanging with this thing. I will finish this on the way to the Amazon, but as you know, I'm going to the jungle, and I will figure out how to do it, because I have this picture how this gonna be, and I know if I explain to you, you would understand what I mean. Do you? Alright, I'm gonna leave you now, and I talk to you soon. We'll see what we're gonna do with this solution. Let me know if you have the solution for that. Let you know if you even understand what I'm talking about. And like always, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, you can do it now. Click that little bell so that you get the notification every time I post a new video. I'm so happy that you are here. I'm so happy that you take the time to spend with me and watching this video. I love you because I love me, and you are just my reflection of who I am, and that's why I am here. Have a beautiful day, beautiful holy day with your family, with yourself. Thank you so much. I'll see you later. Bye bye.